Well, that's an interesting retrofit. Let's open this one over here. Can't go to 4, can't go to 5, we'll have to go to 3. These are some KONE Monospaces at Wellington Railway Station. We are up at level 3. Oh, coming in?
Yeah.
Ground?
Yeah.
(2004), 13 persons or 1,000 kgs. Now I'm going to send this one up and we'll try and get the one that's had the KDS retrofit. Oh, it's just reopened that one. Right. Give it a second to go. I pressed that call button a bit early. That one there doesn't appear to be working. Oh, we can only go to level 3. So this is a rather interesting lift because it's had the buttons retrofitted with KDS 50, and that's also a KDS floor indicator too. Maintained by Orbit's elevators. Down we go. Right, we are back at ground. There it goes, and that's it.